my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
Yahoo, 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 Yahoo. Music video time. I just created some shit right now. We're gonna watch Boom Shaka. Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka. Is it gonna be like a dance party song? Because there's Krishna and Danda Newliwala on the track. It's actually trending on number 21 on the music trending charts. You guys didn't tell me to check this one out, so we are gonna fucking do it. I'll just read what's there in the description and then we can go for it. Performed by Krishna and Danda. Written by Krishna Kaul and Danda Newliwala. Okay, so his actual name is Krishna Kaul. That's new information for me. And Danda, of course. Produced by Phenom and Hisab. Mixed and mastered by Ryan Summer. I've turned on the captions. We are ready. I can see the Kalamkar presence Boom Shaka on my screen and I'm excited. Okay. We are ready to roll. Let's go. Boom Shakalaka. There's a goat with the goat Krishna. Looking good, guys. They got guns and all.
अगर करूं बात तो वो आम बात नहीं और ये करे बस बातें जैसे काम काज नहीं जो बोल रहे थे साला होगा नाम आज नहीं मुझे भिड़ना
नाम आज नहीं कौन बोल रहा है यार रिटायर हो रहा गोट
मैं वहां से हूं आया विद फायर ऑफ द स्टोव चलाता मैं
Pisces BM
जीएम मिलना है टीएम क्योंकि चाहिए उसे मोदी जैसे पीएम बोल मेरा मारा हुआ कब
T जैसे PM
मेरा तब तबा कई साल बाद एक हार के ना मन भरा देखो कैसे नाचे मेरे धुन पे ये अक्सर रैप के प्यार में मैंने भी
He's dancing
सारे बदले के जो अभी भी कट करा मुझे लगता है तो मेरा भी अभी ये वक्त बना लगी दुकानें पर मारी चीज़ ना कोई शख्स करा मुझे तो लगे ये बड़े बैग बैठे बैठे बने बेटा कोई बेटा न करे रैप मुझे बड़े थ्री रैपर भरे पड़े बैग मेरा करियर है बेटा नॉट मी अ बिगर फैक्ट मैं हूं बिगर फैक्ट
He's a bigger fact now for sure. Oh, this is good.
और किल करना लाजमी है बात की बात तो मैं आता हूं बाज नहीं राजधानी राजी आते ये पास नहीं कॉर्डन ऑफ बॉयज और मैं लाइक हाशमी कोसी को
Ran out like Hashmi. Who's Hashmi? I think he's talking about somebody.
भी का थोड़ा पैर शेल भी मैं थोड़ा से सिनेमी खड़ा हूं के पार लेगा तू बोल बूम शाकलाका करे बंदूक शाकलाका
Boom shakalaka.
बूम शाकलाका दिला दे बूम शाकलाका
Kila de room shakalaka.
करे बंदूक शाकलाका चिल्ला दे बूम शाकलाका दिला दे बूम शाकलाका जब तक खड़ा है
Okay, we got the next one, Danda.
जब भी बाकी है बाउंड्री से बार बॉल गिरेगी और फील आनी नागासाकी है
Nagasaki, they're gonna have some sort of a disaster of somebody. पूरा हिलाने की बात चल रहा है.
बैठा फुकरे तो कितना माल नहीं पूछता कर वो हिंसा तो कौन सा है गाल नहीं पूछता है स्कूल के
But too many goats also.
जिनसे कोई मास्टर सवाल नहीं पूछता है देखूंगा आज तने अखियां भर के पता कितने मर के तेरी जुल्फा करके तू 18 की हुई बेबारा पढ़ के तेरे करके 17 मेरे पर्चे चढ़ के लव लेटरों के तेरे भर के पढ़ के उड़ लड़के चोरी घर में पढ़ के पढ़ू पर दिखान के बजे गन के खड़के मेरे घर वाले तंग हुए मेरे करके अरे कोई भी होती था चले अपना ही किस्सा हम दोनों एक गाने में तो लगे मोटा पिसा जब पहन चकुली
दोनों एक गाने में a lot of money incoming.
हमारे जैसा मन कोट रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ देखो जब शीशा है किंग जॉन बैठा नहीं सल्तनत का मैं यूएस ईरान वाली कोट नहीं
Oh, we got a US run mention.
हालातों से हासिल इतनी लंबी मैं जीता हूँ बन के स्क्वायर और लश्करी से भिड़ना बिग लॉस करियर खा जाऊँ
Big loss.
हरियाणवी
Big boss. Career car. That was good, bro.
बूम शाकलाका ये बोले हुक्म मेरे आका थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा कर तुझा का तो मध्य 20 बजे पटाखा बोलो अब बूम शाकलाका करे
दोनों पटाखे हैं for sure.
बूम शाकलाका हिला दे बूम शाकलाका
What a collab.
करे बंदूक शाकलाका चिल्ला रे बूम शाकलाका हिला दे बूम शाकलाका
Hey, the fit change. Killing it, Krishna. Dollar sign. We're getting money in dollar sign. One time. Hila dala. It was so fast when it came to Krishna. The first half was just ta-da-da-da-da-da. He was just shooting at people who, because he wanted to shake things up. Like, he did say that I am gonna retire as the goat. And there was a lot of goats in the video, including the actual goats. Like, There were plenty, and Krishna Danda flowing together is just an absolute blast. Like they had intended, we have absolutely got a boom shakalaka. Krishna in the second half, there was a mid part where it was just crazy flow. And then later on, Dada came in, then it became a little mellow tone, good rap where you can actually listen what's going on. Even though Krishna is also easy to catch, but you don't pay attention. I was literally just glazing at the lyrics so I don't lose. But the only problem with that is that I couldn't like catch up with the video too much. But I'm sure they were anyway fit changed. When Dada came in at the second half, I was like, okay, I'll just watch the video for now because I anyway don't understand Haryanvi. So it was just a fabulous watch. I enjoyed the music. I get why you guys told me to watch it as well. Let me just read the comments and we can end it. Peace out. From 1 million in one day to 11 million on 11th day. They're just killing it. And even Data had mentioned, like, when we come together, it's big cash. So, yep. 1 in a million collab, right? Still trending after 10 days. Dude, it will continue trending because they're two good people. We have checked out Dada and Krishna individually, and I've seen the growth of theirs. It's absolutely amazing. Wow, Danda rapped in Krishna style. Krishna's got the punch, and Danda brought the, violent part, which is, I don't know how to explain it, but he's got the rasp or something that gives it more, especially it aligns with the background. Like people standing with the guns and all, like, yeah, both overshadowed each other, like the great people together. Boom, Danda flow was flowing for sure. I come back like I never left. He's grinding hard, guys, no matter what. It's always day one, and that's the reason why he is relevant, right? Because he knows what the people want, and you need to show that struggle for people to relate. Sadak 2.0 सुन के आ वापस मूड सही करने आना पड़ा यहाँ. तो सड़क 2.0 क्या है? Is that another song? Top is lonely, Betu में only up on the holy throne. He is sitting alone. He is a fucking king, guys. They are the emperors of the music industry. So yes, we got Krishna and Newlywala before GTA 6. We got that. And I hope you're happy with it. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon so we can see each other on the next upcoming reaction, which I have not decided as of now, but I'll bring it to you guys. Do let me know your suggestions in the comments so I can make a decision quickly. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye bye.
No filter, I got no filter.